Hello dancers, let's learn. Oh my God, we are having so much fun with that dance. Yes, that is the name. Oh my God. All right, so here we go. We're going to start with mambos. So mambo to the right, recover. Mambo to the left, recover. Mambo forward with the right, recover. And then left to the back, recover. Excellent. We are now going to do a 3/4 turn as we do a chassé. So your right foot, you're going to turn kind of to the left. You're going to chassé as you turn to the left. And you're going to do the same thing now, but you're going to do a half turn. So shuffle as you continue that half turn part. As your left foot is forward, you're going to mambo forward with a rock with the right together, and then forward with the left together. We're going to continue with a sway of the hips, 4 counts. Right, left, right, left. Body weight is on your left. We're going to do kind of like a forward box. So we're going to go forward, right, and forward, left. So your half box, side together, right, together, forward, right, together, left, slide to the left, together, right, and left goes forward, together. All right, so that was going forward. Here we're going to have what we call kind of like a cumbia, a rocking chair in that case, as you want to rock your foot forward back 4 times as you turn quarter to the right. That means you're going to rock forward with the right, recovers on left, goes back. You keep turning, you go forward again, recovers, and comes back. Right? So that was 1, 2, 3, 4 as you keep turning now to 6 o'clock to the back in this first part. And we finish with 3 steps and slow steps. So slow walk, and step, and 2 claps to the side. Clap, clap. And there it is. So we'll try it again all together. Here we go. Mambos, 5, 6, 7, mambo. Right touch together, then to the left, then to the front with the right, then to the back. Chassé turn, quarter to right. Chassé turn, halfway with left. Mambo cross forward right, then with the left. 4 hips goes 1, 2, 3. Here's your half box forward, slide together, forward, side together, forward. Rocking chair, turn, walk slow, slow, and hold, clap, clap. There you have it. I'm going to ask you to do it in the back because now you cannot see me, but you can hear me. So let's go with the mambos, right and left, forward, back. 5, 6, 7, to the right together, to the left, not to the front, rock together, then to the back. Here we go. Chassé to right, quarter turn, left half turn, rock to the front, mambo, sway for 4, side, 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 and the box to the side and forward, left and forward, rocking chair to the front, turn to the right, again to the front, turn to the right, slow walk, hold, clap, clap. There. Be very careful with that chassé. First quarter, then half. Let's do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, have some fun. It's a really fun song and fun dance. Until next time.